We are off. We've got a fence cleaning today, a slight stripping job on it, and a gate repair. So we're gonna match this wood stain next week, but the homeowner had to replace some panels and portions of the fence after a pool construction, so they used mix match colors. So we're gonna strip that off and then come over top with the barnwood color that we found to match. And on that gate, it's just a small repair. Some of the bolts have stripped out of that wood, so we replaced that picket and get all the bolts back in. Stay tuned for more, but not before we get some gasolina. Hey, Coke. She's all full. Oh, and for all the guys in the industry, or just whichever profession y'all are in, it pays to get the truck branded. I got nylon or vinyl, I don't know. I got stickers from that website, Sticker Mule. And yesterday I was at Home Depot, and this nice fella, Jordan, he's gonna start sending me some business. He paints exterior banks, and they need to be cleaned and pressure washed before they can get a new coat of paint on them. So he just saw my truck, saw the couple of decals I have, and approached me in the Home Depot parking lot. We're not going on a date, but you know, might be best friends. All right, we got the bolts, hinges all back up working. Flawless gate. This lightest piece of wood was the one that was basically black compared to the barnwood color. And we weren't trying to get all of the barnwood 100% off. We were just trying to get these panels that were definitely mixed matched, clean of any stain, so when we come back with the new application, it'll blend in nicely. Some of the bigger panels that were basically whole completely different color. So we'll let this dry, come back next week if the weather permits, and put that barnwood on. So how do we end these videos? I know people do this. Maybe I'll snap, eat you. I don't know.